Choosing the right project management tool can make or break your project. Whether you're managing a high-stakes construction schedule or coordinating a fast-paced software launch, the software you use defines how efficiently your team collaborates, tracks resources, and delivers results. Two giants, Microsoft Project and Primavera P6, dominate the space, but they serve very different masters. Are you aiming for simplicity and speed, or enterprise-level precision and control? Before you commit, let's break down what truly sets them apart, and where they surprisingly align. In today's fast-paced and complex project environments, selecting the right project management tool can significantly impact the success of an initiative. Among the most widely recognized and adopted tools globally are Microsoft Project, MS Project, and Oracle Primavera P6. Both platforms offer powerful scheduling and planning capabilities, but they are designed with different types of users, industries, and project complexities in mind. MS Project, developed by Microsoft, is often the go-to solution for small to medium-sized projects, especially within IT, software development, business transformation, marketing, and general enterprise initiatives. Its user-friendly interface, tight integration with the Microsoft Office ecosystem, and relatively low entry cost make it accessible for individual project managers and cross-functional teams. On the other hand, Primavera P6, developed by Oracle, is a high-end, enterprise-grade solution tailored for large-scale, capital-intensive, and schedule-driven projects. It is widely used in industries like construction, engineering, oil and gas, utilities, aerospace, and defense, where precise control over resources, timelines, and dependencies is non-negotiable. Primavera is known for its robust handling of complex project portfolios, its multi-user environment, and advanced capabilities like earned value management, EVM, risk modeling, and resource histograms. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each tool is crucial for organizations aiming to optimize project delivery, control costs, manage risk, and ensure on-time performance. This comprehensive comparison will help you evaluate these platforms based on your organizational size, industry demands, project complexity, and technical infrastructure, so you can make an informed decision that aligns with your strategic goals. Microsoft Project. Evolution, capabilities, and global reach. Microsoft Project, first released in 1984 for DOS and later integrated into the Microsoft Office family, has evolved into one of the most widely adopted project management tools in the world. Initially designed to assist individual project managers with task scheduling and basic resource allocation, it has since undergone significant transformations to support enterprise-level project portfolio management (PPM). With continuous improvements across versions, from Project 4.0 in Windows 95 to Project 2019, and now to Microsoft Project for the web and Project Online, Microsoft has consistently enhanced its capabilities to meet the growing demands of modern project environments. These enhancements include cloud integration, agile task boards, real-time collaboration via Microsoft Teams, and Power BI reporting, which position the tool as a powerful yet user-friendly solution for diverse project needs. Microsoft Project is now part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, enabling seamless integration with tools like Excel, SharePoint, Outlook, and Power Automate, which streamlines workflow automation and cross-platform data sharing. The latest versions provide support for both waterfall and agile methodologies, allowing hybrid project approaches within a single platform. Its familiar ribbon interface, customizable Gantt charts, resource histograms, and critical path analysis make it especially popular among project managers in IT, marketing, construction, and operations. As of 2024, Microsoft Project is used by over 20 million users worldwide, across thousands of organizations in more than 100 countries. Its adoption spans small startups to Fortune 500 companies, particularly those already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Although it is not optimized for ultra-complex, multi-billion-dollar infrastructure projects like Primavera P6, MS Project offers a highly accessible and scalable solution that balances functionality, usability, and cost. It remains a cornerstone tool for planning, scheduling, budgeting, and tracking in modern project management. Primavera P6. Enterprise-level project control with a legacy of precision. Primavera, originally developed in 1983 by Primavera Systems Inc., quickly gained a reputation as the gold standard for high-performance, schedule-driven project management. Built for industries that demand meticulous control over complex projects, such as construction, engineering, aerospace, defense, oil and gas, and infrastructure, Primavera was designed from the ground up to support multi-project environments, thousands of activities, and enterprise resource management. With its acquisition by Oracle Corporation in 2008, Primavera underwent a major transformation into a broader enterprise project portfolio management (EPPM) solution, integrating more tightly with Oracle's ERP systems, cloud services, and business intelligence tools. Primavera's flagship product, P6, has evolved into a robust platform capable of managing up to 100,000+ activities per project, offering powerful features such as critical path method, CPM, scheduling, earned value management, EVM, risk analysis, resource histograms, WBS customization, role-based access control, and baseline comparison. P6 is available in two major formats: P6 Professional, which is desktop-based for power users and schedulers, and P6 EPPM, a web-enabled, enterprise-grade system supporting real-time collaboration, multi-user access, and executive-level dashboards. The system also supports integration with tools like Oracle Unifier, Primavera Risk Analysis, and third-party systems via APIs, enabling a unified project control environment. As of 2024, Primavera P6 is used by more than 375,000 professionals across 25,000 organizations in over 120 countries. It remains the preferred tool for government contractors, EPC firms, and multinational corporations managing high-risk, long-duration, and resource-intensive programs. Although its learning curve is steep and implementation cost high, Primavera offers unmatched control, reliability, and analytical depth for mission-critical projects. For organizations that view project execution as a core strategic function rather than just a workflow, Primavera P6 stands as a cornerstone of predictive planning and enterprise governance. The similarities between Microsoft Project and Primavera P6. Despite their differences in scale and industry orientation, Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 share several core similarities that position them as essential tools in the field of project management. Both platforms are built around the critical path method, CPM, and support task dependencies, baseline management, and work breakdown structure, WBS, hierarchies to ensure structured planning. Each allows for resource assignment, cost estimation, and schedule tracking, providing project managers with visibility into performance metrics and progress. Both tools also offer Gantt chart visualizations, custom fields, and reporting features to facilitate decision-making. Furthermore, they support multi-project management, allowing users to plan and control complex project portfolios. Integration capabilities are also a shared strength. Both systems can connect with external databases, ERP tools, and business intelligence platforms to extend their functionality in enterprise environments. Ultimately, both MS Project and Primavera P6 are designed to enhance project visibility, accountability, and control, making them trusted choices for professionals who manage schedules, budgets, and resources under defined constraints. Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 are long-standing rivals because they both occupy a dominant position in the project management software market, yet cater to overlapping use cases in large organizations that demand rigorous scheduling, resource control, and project visibility. While their target audiences differ, MS Project being more accessible to general business users and Primavera being favored by engineers and schedulers, they both compete for enterprise project management budgets, especially in sectors like construction, infrastructure, IT, and manufacturing. Companies often evaluate them side by side when deciding on a standard tool for managing multi-million-dollar projects, integrating with ERP systems, and meeting compliance or reporting standards. Their rivalry is further fueled by their continuous evolution into cloud-based, portfolio-driven platforms, with Microsoft strengthening its Project Online and Power BI ecosystem, and Oracle enhancing Primavera's enterprise-grade governance, analytics, and risk control features. Each seeks to offer a one-stop solution for project planning, execution, and control, making them direct competitors in the high-stakes world of professional project management. Feature-by-feature evaluation. 1. User interface and ease of use. When it comes to user interface and ease of use, Microsoft Project has a clear advantage for general users due to its familiar and intuitive design, closely aligned with other Microsoft Office applications such as Excel and Outlook. The ribbon-style toolbar, drag-and-drop features, and visually driven Gantt charts make it accessible even to project managers with limited technical backgrounds. Tasks, dependencies, and resource allocations can be managed through point-and-click actions, and users can quickly build schedules using templates or manual inputs. In contrast, Primavera P6 offers a more complex and structured interface that caters to experienced schedulers and planners, particularly in technical industries. Its layout emphasizes deep control over activity codes, WBS elements, resource breakdown structures, and custom filters, which can be overwhelming for beginners. While Primavera provides unparalleled precision and functionality, its usability requires specialized training and often necessitates a dedicated planning team to fully leverage its power. Primavera P6 Professional also has a more dated visual appearance compared to MS Project, although the web-based P6 EPPM interface offers improved navigation and dashboard capabilities. Ultimately, MS Project is designed for ease and accessibility, while Primavera P6 is built for granular control and professional-grade planning, making ease of use a trade-off between simplicity and depth. To sum up, MS Project. Familiar Microsoft-style interface, like Excel, Outlook. Easier to learn for those familiar with the Microsoft ecosystem. More intuitive for smaller teams and individual project managers. 2. Primavera P6. Steeper learning curve, interface is more complex. Designed for heavy-duty project scheduling. Better suited for trained planners or schedulers in engineering, construction. Winner for ease of use, MS Project. 2. Project planning and scheduling. In the area of project planning and scheduling, both Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 offer robust capabilities, but they cater to different levels of project complexity and scale. Microsoft Project is ideal for planning single projects or small programs, offering powerful features such as task linking, critical path analysis, milestone tracking, and timeline visualization through dynamic Gantt charts. Users can easily define dependencies, allocate resources, and adjust timelines through a user-friendly interface. The system automatically recalculates schedules when tasks change, and with Project for the web, it also supports Agile boards and Kanban views for modern workflows. However, its scalability becomes limited when managing thousands of interconnected activities across a portfolio. Primavera P6, on the other hand, is built specifically for large-scale, multi-project environments with complex interdependencies. It can handle over 100,000 activities, supports multiple calendars, and provides advanced scheduling options such as resource leveling, lag, lead time management, and activity coding for sorting and filtering. Primavera's strength lies in its ability to plan multi-year, high-risk projects with precision and track multiple project baselines concurrently. Additionally, its schedule comparison, earned value management, EVM, and float analysis tools make it a standard in industries where schedule slippage can lead to significant financial or legal consequences, such as construction or defense. While MS Project is favored for its ease and quick adoption in business and IT projects, Primavera P6 dominates where compliance, regulation, and technical control are critical, making it the industry benchmark for schedule performance and accountability at the enterprise level. To sum up, MS Project. Excellent for timeline, Gantt charts, critical path, resource leveling. Limited when managing very large and complex project portfolios. 2. Primavera P6. Superior for managing large, multi-project programs. Strong in critical path method, CPM, work breakdown structures, WBS, and activity management. Handles over 100,000 activities with ease. Winner for large-scale planning, Primavera P6. 3. Resource and cost management. When it comes to resource and cost management, Microsoft Project provides a solid foundation for basic to intermediate level control, allowing project managers to assign work, material, and cost resources to tasks, define rates and availability, and track resource usage over time. It automatically calculates costs based on resource assignments and task duration, and users can analyze overall location, budget forecasts, and earned value metrics. Integration with Excel and Power BI allows for further financial analysis, but MS Project's capabilities can become limited when managing complex resource hierarchies, global roles, or multi-project resource pools, especially in enterprise-wide programs involving multiple contractors and dependencies. In contrast, Primavera P6 is engineered for deep, enterprise-grade resource and cost management. It supports labor, non-labor, and material resources at a highly detailed level, allowing organizations to define roles, skills, cost rates, limits, and resource calendars across multiple projects and business units. Primavera's resource assignment and leveling tools are capable of resolving conflicts automatically, factoring in availability, project priority, and workload distribution. It also enables cost loading of schedules, supports time-distributed resource usage, and offers real-time monitoring through resource histograms and S-curves. Additionally, Primavera is built to handle earned value management, EVM, at a granular level, tracking planned value, PV, earned value, EV, and actual cost, AC, across portfolios, which is critical in industries with contractual performance obligations. Overall, while Microsoft Project is suitable for mid-size projects and departmental budgeting, Primavera P6 is the preferred choice for organizations that require precise financial control, resource optimization, and strategic forecasting across large, resource-intensive programs. To sum up, MS Project. Good for basic resource assignment, availability, and cost tracking. Can be extended with Project Server for advanced tracking. 2. Primavera P6. Highly detailed resource loading, cost control, and labor, non-labor role assignments. Ideal for organizations needing earned value management, EVM, and complex resource control. Checkmark winner for resource, cost management, Primavera P6. 4. Collaboration and integration. In the realm of collaboration and integration, both Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 offer powerful but distinctly different approaches aligned with their ecosystems. Microsoft Project excels in collaborative project management within the Microsoft 365 environment. Through Project for the Web and Project Online, users can co-author schedules, assign tasks, and track progress in real time across teams using Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Outlook, and Power Automate. These integrations enable seamless file sharing, automatic updates, and workflow automation, making it ideal for distributed teams operating in business, and digital transformation projects. Microsoft's integration with Power BI also offers dynamic, customizable dashboards that help stakeholders visualize and report on project health with ease. Primavera P6, on the other hand, is designed for multi-user collaboration in large-scale, structured environments, often with higher access control and more complex governance requirements. The P6 EPPM, Enterprise Project Portfolio Management, web-based version allows multiple stakeholders to access, update, and monitor schedules concurrently. It integrates deeply with Oracle's ERP, Primavera Unifier, and Primavera Risk Analysis, forming part of a broader enterprise infrastructure. Primavera also supports data exchange via XER, XML, and Excel, and allows API integrations with third-party systems such as SAP, Bentley, or Deltek, which are commonly used in construction, oil and gas, and defense industries. However, configuring these integrations often requires IT and database expertise, and Primavera's collaboration tools, while powerful, are more technical and rigid than Microsoft's user-friendly interface. In summary, MS Project is ideal for fast-moving, cloud-native collaboration within business environments, while Primavera P6 offers controlled, structured collaboration suited to industries requiring audit trails, security, and multi-project coordination at scale. To sum up, MS Project. Seamless integration with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Power BI, Excel. Works well within Microsoft Office 365 environment. Microsoft Project Online enables cloud collaboration too. Primavera P6. Integrates with Oracle Suite, Primavera Unifier, Oracle ERP. Supports XML, XER, and Excel imports, exports. Web-based P6 EPPM allows multi-user collaboration but requires configuration. Checkmark winner for Microsoft Ecosystem. MS Project checkmark winner for Oracle Ecosystem and Enterprise PMO, Primavera P6. 5. Customization and reporting. When it comes to customization and reporting, both Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 offer strong capabilities, though they approach them differently based on their core design philosophies. Microsoft Project provides a flexible, user-friendly experience for customizing views, fields, tables, and reports. Users can tailor Gantt charts, add custom columns, apply filters and groups, and build visual dashboards with Power BI, which connects seamlessly to Project Online or desktop versions. Reporting is straightforward and ideal for project managers, team leads, and executives who need quick insights and presentation-ready outputs without extensive technical knowledge. Built-in reports such as burndown charts, cost overviews, and task status summaries make it easy to communicate project health. In contrast, Primavera P6 is designed for deep customization and high-volume reporting across complex, multi-project environments. Users can create global and project-specific custom fields, configure activity codes, and develop highly detailed filters, layouts, and grouping structures tailored to organizational standards. Primavera supports by-publisher and Oracle Analytics for advanced report generation, and it can be integrated with external data warehouses for enterprise-wide analytics. Its powerful capabilities make it ideal for producing auditable, contractual reports that meet the stringent requirements of government clients, EPC firms, and engineering contractors. However, this level of reporting often requires technical expertise or involvement from specialized Primavera consultants. In essence, Microsoft Project is better suited for fast, visual, and accessible reporting, while Primavera P6 excels at enterprise-grade, deeply customized, and regulatory-compliant reporting, making it the preferred tool in high-stakes, documentation-heavy environments. To sum up, MS Project. Strong customizable Gantt charts and reports. Native Power BI integration enhances visual reporting. 2. Primavera P6. Extensive custom fields and dashboards. Advanced reporting using by-publisher, Excel, and third-party tools. Checkmark winner for advanced customization. Primavera P6 checkmark winner for quick custom reports, MS Project. 6. Cost and licensing. The cost and licensing models of Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 reflect their different target markets and deployment strategies. Microsoft Project offers a more flexible and affordable licensing structure, especially appealing to small and mid-sized organizations. Available through Microsoft 365 as a subscription-based service, users can choose from plans such as Project Plan 1, Plan 3, and Plan 5, with pricing ranging approximately from $10 to $55 per user per month depending on features. These plans include web-based access, collaboration tools, desktop app integration, and reporting capabilities. For organizations already invested in Microsoft's ecosystem, this model offers excellent value with low upfront costs, scalability, and minimal IT overhead. In contrast, Primavera P6 has traditionally been a higher-cost, enterprise-level solution with perpetual or term-based licensing, and it often involves significant upfront investment. The standalone P6 professional license can cost several $1,000s per user, and the P6 EPPM, Enterprise Project Portfolio Management, suite, typically hosted on-premise or via Oracle Cloud, requires additional server infrastructure, database licensing, and often professional services for implementation and configuration. Ongoing support, training, and Oracle's support agreements, such as the Oracle support and maintenance fee, further add to the total cost of ownership. While this cost is justifiable for large enterprises managing billions in capital projects, it can be prohibitive for smaller teams or organizations with less complex needs. In summary, Microsoft Project is far more accessible and budget-friendly, making it ideal for businesses seeking quick deployment and moderate control. Primavera P6, while more expensive, delivers comprehensive enterprise-level capabilities and is typically chosen by capital-intensive industries that require detailed scheduling, risk control, and long-term infrastructure support. To sum up, MS Project. Cost-effective for small to mid-size organizations. Subscription-based, e.g., Project Plan 3 or 5 via Office 365. Easier to purchase and deploy. 2. Primavera P6. High initial cost and ongoing licensing fees. Typically requires dedicated infrastructure, unless using Oracle Cloud. ROI is higher in large organizations with multiple project portfolios. Checkmark winner for cost, MS Project. 7. Industry usage and application. Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 are both widely used in project management, but their adoption across industries reflects their core strengths and strategic focus. Microsoft Project is extensively used in information technology, software development, marketing, finance, education, healthcare, and general business operations. Its intuitive interface, seamless integration with Microsoft 365, and flexible planning capabilities make it ideal for organizations managing internal projects, product launches, digital transformation initiatives, and cross-functional teamwork. MS Project is particularly favored in industries where collaboration, speed, and moderate complexity are key, rather than compliance-heavy or resource-intensive operations. Many small to medium enterprises, SMEs, and departments within large corporations use MS Project as a cost-effective, easy-to-adopt planning tool. In contrast, Primavera P6 is the gold standard in engineering, construction, oil and gas, utilities, aerospace, transportation, shipbuilding, defense, and government contracting. These industries demand rigorous scheduling, resource control, and risk tracking due to the high capital investment, contractual obligations, and long project durations typical of their operations. Primavera's ability to manage multiple interrelated projects, support earned value analysis, and integrate with enterprise resource planning, ERP, and risk systems makes it a critical tool for large infrastructure programs and high-stakes ventures. It is often mandated by clients, especially in public sector and multinational projects, as part of formal project governance requirements. In essence, Microsoft Project dominates in commercial, agile, and fast-paced industries, while Primavera P6 is essential in heavy industries where precision, accountability, and regulation are central to project success. To sum up, MS Project. Widely used in IT, software development, business operations, marketing, and non-construction sectors. 2. Primavera P6. Dominates in construction, oil and gas, engineering, defense, infrastructure, and large-scale manufacturing. Checkmark winner for engineering, construction. Primavera P6 checkmark winner for business, IT projects. MS Project. When comparing Microsoft Project and Primavera P6, it becomes clear that both tools serve distinct purposes, but share core project management strengths. Microsoft Project shines in terms of ease of use, 9/10, thanks to its familiar Microsoft Office interface, making it ideal for IT, business, and departmental projects. Its collaboration capabilities, 9/10, are top tier within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, with strong integration to Teams, SharePoint, and Power BI. Customization and reporting, 8/10, are also accessible, especially with Power BI dashboards. However, its planning and scheduling power, 7/10, and resource and cost management, 6.5/10, while solid, fall short for complex, multi-project environments. Affordability is a major strength, earning it a cost and licensing score of 9/10. Its main limitation is scalability, which restricts its use in large, regulated industries. In contrast, Primavera P6 is purpose-built for enterprise-grade, capital-intensive projects in sectors like construction, oil and gas, aerospace, and infrastructure. It leads in planning and scheduling, 10 out of 10, with support for 100,000-plus activities, advanced CPM, and risk models. Its resource and cost management, 9.5/10, is unmatched, supporting role-based assignments, earned value, and resource histograms. Though its customization and reporting, 9/10, are extensive, they require technical skill. Collaboration, 7.5/10, is strong but more rigid and infrastructure-heavy than MS Project. The tool's user interface, 6/10, is less intuitive and demands training. On the downside, Primavera's cost and licensing, 5.5/10, reflects its premium positioning, with high upfront costs and ongoing maintenance. While it may not suit small teams, it is irreplaceable for complex, contract-critical environments requiring precise control. In the world of professional project management, both Microsoft Project and Primavera P6 stand as powerful, respected tools, yet they serve distinctly different needs. Microsoft Project is the preferred choice for organizations seeking an intuitive, cost-effective solution that integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem. With strong usability, rapid deployment, and effective collaboration features, it's ideal for IT, business, and departmental projects where flexibility and accessibility are essential. However, its limitations in handling highly complex, resource-intensive, and multi-contract environments make it less suitable for large-scale infrastructure programs. On the other hand, Primavera P6 is purpose-built for heavy industries like construction, engineering, oil and gas, and defense, where scheduling precision, earned value tracking, and multi-project governance are critical. Its strength lies in handling complexity across thousands of activities, interdependent schedules, and enterprise-wide portfolios. While it requires significant investment in training, setup, and licensing, Primavera provides unmatched depth, control, and compliance capabilities. Ultimately, choosing between the two depends not just on features, but on industry demands, organizational scale, project complexity, and available infrastructure. For simplicity and fast adoption, MS Project is a reliable companion. For rigor, scale, and long-term program control, Primavera P6 remains the industry gold standard.